did not. I don't think the members knew about this, unless maybe the ones who are on the special banners. Maybe they knew about it, but I think mostly the other ones didn't know. They announced today on Twitter that they would be having a huge advertisement in Shibuya Station. I cannot believe. I wonder how much it costs to get this. Look. One of the most famous tourist spots ever. This is the entrance to Shibuya Eki that is right in front of Hachiko and the huge Shibuya crossing. But see, this is really long. So when you walk inside the station, there will be hundreds and thousands of people passing by. I see myself on this one. I'm at the top. And then there's more of these, like... I think they literally chose the most, like, 2 popular ENs, the most 1 popular ID, and the most couple of popular Japanese members. So, there you go. It's so cool. Wow! They look so high quality. Like, damn! So many people are gonna see this. とりあえず、フォーフェスが終わったら多分すぐに消えるのかな。Wow, this has like professional ad vibes. If you happen to be in Tokyo right now, go and find these. Check them out. They're so big. This one should be the easiest to find because there is no way that you're going to Tokyo and you will not go to Shibuya's main station.